My name is Larry King, and I'm venturing into the memorial wedding video making business. So the purpose of this video is to show you how you can make these memorial videos yourself very easily with software that's already on your personal computer. Okay, if you have a PC, it's Clipchamp, okay, and if you have an Apple, they've got excellent video making software there, okay. So the format of this video is the next little phase is going to be where I demonstrate using Clipchamp, where we bring up the program, which is on your computer, and then we import some photos, we import some music, a few text boxes, and we make sure that the pictures are fading in and out very smoothly and nicely, and then we put that on YouTube, okay, just to demonstrate to you how easy it is once you learn this software. Now, the purpose of this video is not to teach you the software. There's many YouTube videos that do that, as I'll repeat again here in a few minutes, but it's just to show you how easy it is. Then the segment following that is my nephew's memorial video. I've played with that with 3 different types of music just to kind of show you the different flavor of things that you can do. And then at the very end, I give you an offer if you want to email me your photos and the music that you want, then I can make this video for you for an introductory offer of $100, okay? So we'll see if I get any takers, okay? So stick around. At the end of the video is a telephone number. You can text me and we'll set you up making your video, okay? So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn how to make this on your own. Okay, the purpose of this part of the video is to demonstrate how easy it is to use Microsoft's Clipchamp, which I believe comes free on a PC, or you can download it. And so we're going to demonstrate how we open up Clipchamp, bring in photographs from our computer, bring in some music from Clipchamp, put in some text boxes, and record a nice video, and then put that onto YouTube, where you could send the link out so that people could see the video. Okay, so I've got an icon here for Microsoft Clipchamp, so I go there and we're going to just walk through making a video. Now, once again, the purpose of this video is not so that you can master how to make how you can use Clipchamp, but there's a million videos on YouTube that make it very easy to learn, like I have. Okay, so at the top here, you just click on create a new video. Okay, now let's give it a title up here, and let's call this an excellent demo. Okay, so that's what that's called. Now what we want to do is bring in our pictures, and then we can put them over here on, this is called the timeline, but there's nothing there. So let's go ahead, import some pictures. Okay, I've already opened up a file here from some Chinese friends, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go Control All, and except for that one, and I'm going to bring all of these into Clipchamp. Okay, and there they are. Okay, now in order to get them onto the timeline, you see this little arrow, add to the timeline. Okay, so we're going to start with, I call this one Sweetie Pie, Sweetheart, and then we're going to add each of these in sequence down the timeline. Okay, and then we're going to end up once again here. Okay, now so on this timeline you can move around by using arrows, or you can just click around, or if you want to go all the way to the beginning, you do go to there. Okay, all right, now I would like to add some music to that. So if we go up here and look at the content library, click on that. All right, now this is audio. So I'm going to search for lullaby. All right, and I've already looked at this one. I like it, but let's just try it out. Okay, I like it. And that's that arrow there, that little plus sign, is going to add it to our timeline. Okay, so now here's our music. Okay, I want the music to start first, so I'm going to take the photos. Oh, God, I can't do that. I see. Okay, I'm going to highlight everything here by Control All. And then we're going to move this down, way down here, like that. Now we can move the music back up here. Okay, so we start off with the music, and then I want to add a text box here. And this is text box over here. So you click on that, and then you click on a. You can do all this creative stuff with text, but this is the simple one. So here is our text box, and we're going to call this an excellent. Whoops. Let's go caps. Okay, so we're going to call that an excellent demo. Let's stretch that out so it'll fit all on one line. And, okay, where are you going? Not easy to grab it. Okay, we got that. All right, now then, highlight everything in there. I want to change the color. So if we go here to text, and the color now is white. It's hard to see there, but that's white. Okay, and we want to go to yellow. Okay, and then we want to pull this down to here. And again, let's highlight it all and maybe go with italics. What do you think of that? Okay. All right, so now if we go back to the beginning, well, one other thing I want to do is I like everything to fade in and fade out. Okay, so again, I'm going to highlight everything, Control A, and then it brings up this fade. So I want everything to fade in and fade out very slow. Okay, so now if we go to the beginning, we should have a video made right now. So we go to the beginning. Let's go to full screen and look at what we've created. Okay. I'm going to stop the music there. I forgot to cut off the music, so let's go back to the end of that photo. And we'll have a little bit of music after that. So let's start playing it from there. Okay, so right there I'm going to clip that music and delete the tail there. And once again, let's do a slow fade in, fade out with that music. Okay. So this video is ready to go, so we can export it up here, and if there's any gaps between your photographs or something, you can say fix it and delete all the visual gaps. Now you have to pick the speed here, so I use 720. I probably should use something higher, but so here's the, it's exporting it quite quickly because that's a fairly short video that we did. And then we will save it to our computer and put it on YouTube. So we're going to save it to the computer, and I'm going to call that excellent. Okay, and we're going to save it in the file. All right. Then to put it on YouTube, we just simply go to YouTube and create, upload a video, find it on our machine here. So we got to go back and find that where we have it. Okay, and ours is called an excellent demo. Okay, so we open that up. Now, it's found it. Yep, it's uploading it. Okay, I want to make sure we got a good thumbnail on that, so I'm going to bring in that picture of that that young girl. This one here. That's going to be the thumbnail. Okay, and I think the thing is done. So we have to say here that it's not for children, and then that it's for the public so that people can see it. Now, if you click right here, you copy that link, and then you can email that out or get it into a text message and text it out. So we're going to publish it. Okay, close that off. Okay, so here it is. I made several of these, so let's play it just to see what we got. Now, this is on YouTube. Okay, we don't need to play the whole thing, but it's pretty nice. Okay, so that's basically takes it all the way from starting a video in Clipchamp and putting it onto YouTube and sending the link out to everybody.